Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to earn money by playing this game. Presently I am opening game. To start the game, touch anywhere on the screen. The main thing we need to do in this game is to save balls from falling down. Here you can see that I am getting score 1 for saving each ball. That means the score of this ball is 1. We have different types of balls in this game. Let's check them too. Here you can see customize option. Click on that and you will see paddles and balls. From here, select balls. Here you can see different types of balls with their scores on top. Every day scores of these balls will change. So you need to select a ball which gives high score every day. Today hardball is giving high score, so I will purchase it using cherries. If I click on play after purchasing the ball, it will not be selected because I just purchased it but I did not selected it. So now I will select that ball and click on play. Now you can see balls are changed. Once we will play the game using this ball. Now you can see the difference between the previous ball score and this ball score. So you need to play using ball which gives high score every day. If you want to close the game in the middle, you can submit your score too. To submit your score, pause the game and click on submit score option. Now you can click on restart and go back to home screen. Now we will check whether score is updated in leaderboard or not. In leaderboard, we can check our rank. In top, we can see our profile name, rank and timer. Everyone will receive coins based on their ranks after timer ends. The rank which you see after playing game will change if someone scores more than you. So after timer ends, based on your rank, you will receive coins. You can see only top 98 positions in leaderboard along with their coins on right side. The users with 99 rank to 1000 rank receives 4 coins as reward. Here 98 coins equals to $1. Presently we cannot see redeem option here because we don't even have 1 coin. Redeem option will not be shown if we have 0 coins. So I will add coins from server and restart the game. Now you can see coins. So we can see redeem option 2 in leaderboard. From here, you can transfer to Paytm or PayPal account by entering your details. You can expect funds within 24 hours from the time of redeem. If you did not receive payment even after 24 hours, then feel free to contact us on WhatsApp. Our support team will help you for sure. You will receive reply in WhatsApp within 24 hours, so please have patience. Now we will check purchase option also. Here you can see 2 shops, Boost shop and Cherry shop. By using boost, your ball score will be doubled. See, I purchased booster now and will play the game and check how it works. Previously this ball gave score 16. With booster it is giving score 32. Score is most important in this game as we get ranks based on this and receive rewards based on rank. So try to score high. If game won't end even after all balls felt, please wait for 20 seconds. It will end automatically. You will see like this after game ends. You can also continue game using cherries. Only high score will be updated in leaderboard. If your present score is less than previous score, then it will not be updated. So it takes only best score from you. Finally, if you face any problems in game, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp. You will receive reply within 24 hours. Bye bye.